Good morning, dear students. I hope you are taking care of yourself. Without wasting much of time, let us move ahead with the chapter number 9, that is Forest and Wildlife Resources. We have covered almost everything into this chapter and we are moving ahead of coming to an end of the chapter. In this chapter, we have already seen the different types of schemes which have been started by the government, and the reason why the government has started the schemes is to protect the species of such animals which are getting in danger day by day, which are getting in less in numbers. So government, as we know, that they have started with the wildlife protection schemes. In that schemes we have seen, like, the first one was about the tiger project. In the tiger project, it says that it started in the year 1971. Why? Because it is said, like, in the beginning of the 20th century, there were around 40,000 tigers which were found. But as and when the time passed, these tigers started decreasing. And in the year 1971, the government came scheme with the name of the scheme as the Tiger Project Scheme to protect the tigers. Because if this was not been implemented, then they would have come that there would have been no tigers found in India. The second we have seen, the project was about the elephant. Into the same thing, like elephant was also getting reduced in the earlier times. But government also started with this project in the year 1992 to protect the elephant, to protect the habitats of elephants, to protect the elephants in such a way that these elephants which were found in the huge quantity a couple of years back, that elephants are getting reduced. Third one we have seen to protect the rhino project. So why? Because the same thing, one horned rhino was in danger. These rhinoceros were in danger because of that one horn was used for the medicines, so it started getting decreased. So government has a vision of 2020 to have the number of rhinoceros in around 3,000 in number. If we come near to the particular number which the government has thought, then there would be a great achievement. Now we will be looking about the crocodile project. We know this alligators is found in the fresh water, and it is also been said that it is on the verge of extinction. So verge of extinction, you know the meaning of the term verge of extinction. There a time would come that there would be no alligators found into the fresh waters of India. Before moving ahead, I have already stated into this chapter that crocodile and alligators are somewhat the similar kinds of animals which we found into the fresh waters of India. So it says this species of alligators which is found in fresh water was on the verge of extinction. Verge of extinctions. You are knowing about the meaning of the term verge of extinctions means these animals are coming to an end. They are nearly coming to an end. And in the decade of 1970. So it says in the year 1970, crocodile was almost to an end. It came almost to an end. So the government of India took timely steps to start this project. So as and when the government came to know, as and when the forest departments came to know that this crocodile is getting to an end, so they might have made the surveys about the number of crocodiles into that particular year. So they started this project in the year 1970 and they came with the different steps to protect the crocodile. Next we will be looking is the vulture project. Okay, let us see what is there into the vulture project. It says vulture is the cleanliness workers of the nature. Why? Because we know that vulture, they eat the flesh of the dead animals. So by eating the flesh of the dead animals, somewhere they are cleaning the environment. They are cleaning the nature. That's why they have said that is the cleanliness worker of the nature. So they are referring vulture as the cleanliness worker of the nature. It eats the meat of dead animals. There are about 9 subspecies of vultures in India. So it says there are 9 species of vultures in India. And due to the unusual decrease in its number, this project was started in 2004. So when did this project started? In the year 2004. Let us recall vulture project. They are doing the cleaning work for the nature. How? By eating the dead animals. And it says like there are 9 species of vultures found over here in India, and this project is started in the year 2004. And the last one is the snow leopard project. by the term snow. So where this animal would be found? It says that snow leopard is found mostly into the Himalayan regions to an altitude of about 3000 meters, which is into the Himalayan regions. Says is found at an altitude of about 3000 meters in the Himalayas. Lives in snow only. This snow leopard, the name is given snow leopard because it is mostly found in Himalayan regions at an altitude of about 3000 meters. And these animals, the snow leopard, they live in snow areas only. The project was started in 2000. When it started, the project is started in the year 2000 with the purpose to increase the knowledge about the snow leopard among the local people. It says this project started in 2000. We have seen into the previous videos or else into the previous topic that snow leopard and red panda, they both are found into the Himalayan regions, but because of the unawareness to the people about the snow leopard, they were being hunted, they were being harmed, and slowly and gradually the number started decreasing. So it said this project of snow leopard started in the year 2000 and people were giving more awareness about the importance of the snow leopard, where it is found and why this name has also been given to them, because they are mostly staying into the snowy area. So the people would be aware to protect it. Besides this, it says the main 5 projects we have seen. Besides this, there are some other projects also are into the operational, including Kashmiri Hangul project, Red Panda project, Manipur Tamil project for the special species of deer found in Manipur, Ganga Dolphin project on Ganga Brahmaputra river, etc. So it says these are the projects which are going to come as and when the government will come with different kind of information so that the people would be aware, different programs would be organized to give more of the informations. So let us recall the different projects once again. What were the projects which we have come by in terms of the protection schemes by the government? The first one we have seen, that was the Tiger project. It says the Tiger project. It says that the Tiger project is in the year 20th century there were more in the number of tigers. There were around 40,000 tigers left. But as and when the time passed, this tigers started reducing. Therefore, in the year 1971, Tiger project was implemented to save the tigers. Further, it says the Elephant project. Even the number of elephants were decreasing, so the government came with an idea of increasing more of the elephant in the year 1992 to take care of the elephants. So these elements can move freely along with the habitat into the forest areas. Then what came with the Rhino project, and it says one-horn rhino project. This rhino project started because of protection of one-horn rhino, and mostly this rhino are found into the Assam area, into the state of Assam, and in some of the places into the Sundarban areas. And by the year 2020, they have a target to reach. Or near to 3,000 rhino. Further, also in this, it is stated that it is seen in the marshy regions of Brahmaputra and Sundarban, where these rhinos are mostly seen into the river sands area, that is into the Brahmaputra and Sundarban. It is hunted for preparing medicines from its horns. As I have stated, that why these rhinos are being harmed, why are they being killed, why are they being hunted for making the medicines. And rhinos, we are aware that it is a herbivorous animals. So it says due to the attempts of this protection, the number has increased. When coming to the rhino project, when the government has come with the schemes for the protection of the rhinos, the slowly and gradually the number has increased. Further, we have seen the crocodile project of the alligators. We know that alligators is similar to what is known as the crocodile, and it says like the crocodile slowly and gradually was starting coming onto the verge of extinction. Slowly they were getting introduced. So therefore, extinction in the year 1970. So therefore, the government came with this scheme project, that is the crocodile project, to protect the crocodile. Further, known as the vulture project, we know that the vultures are doing the cleanliness work for the nature. They are eating the dead animals, dead and decaying animals, and somewhere they are cleaning the nature by eating these animals. Here are vultures, and there are around 9 species of vultures found in India. Finally was the snow leopard project. In the snow leopard project, we have seen that where this animal is being found. So it says this animal is mostly found into the snowy areas, into the Himalayan regions. at an altitude of about 3000 meters, and he says this project was started in the year 2000. The reason for starting this project was to give more of the awareness to the people who are living into that area. People would be given more of the information about the snow leopards. And further it says the government is also going to start or come with a different kind of schemes such as Ganga Dolphin Project on the Ganga Brahmaputra rivers. Then further it says about the Kashmiri Hangul projects and so on. So students, you are aware about the wildlife protection scheme. Topics which we have covered, I will be sending you the PDF. And if you have any kind of the doubts regarding to any of the topics which will be covering into the live sessions, till then you please take care of yourself, and we'll be meeting into the live sessions regarding any of the doubt. Be safe, thank you, and have a nice day.